Number one, follow up. You get that nugget, you chase it down. Okay, you're like a dog with a bone, and you get that nugget, you chase it down. Follow up, follow up, follow up. If you don't, the next guy will. Number two, I would say, is follow through. If you say you're going to do it, damn it, do it. Do what you say you're going to do.
Yep.
Follow through on what you say. So many times that just doesn't happen. Put yourself in the consumer's shoes. You know how you expect to be treated. You know how you want to be treated. Huge difference between what you want and what you expect. Know the difference. Show the difference. Be the difference. Understand that what people expect and what they want are just so different. Give them what they want, not what they expect. In today's world, the expectations have been lowered. It's unbelievable.